Hello friends, today I'm sharing this very easy kite nail art design for Makar Sankranti. This is a beginner friendly nail art and it's a continuous nail art. As you can see, the tail of the kite is continuing across my nails. For this, first apply white polish on your nails. When the polish dries up, I made 4 points and I joined those by the lines to make the shape of a kite. It's a bit difficult to make straight lines as my finger was lying flat on the table, but if you hold it close to yourself, you can easily draw this design. Once the basic shape is done, I gave it a tail and then I joined my fingers together to get the rough idea of how I'd like the tail to be. And I made a few points here and there and I joined these, which will form the tail of the kite later on. Now join these dots to make the tail of the kite and continue it across the nails so that when you put your nails together it would look like a continuous nail art. And once this basic line is drawn, all you need to do is fill in the details. So for this, first I've made the kite. For the kite, I simply made 2 lines across the kite and then I made some triangular pieces on the tail of the kite to denote the colorful paper bits which we usually add on the tail so that it looks really pretty when the kite is flying. So you can make 2 to 3 or even 1 if your nail is short. These trails on the tail of the kite. And once this is done, allow the polish or the paint to dry off before filling in the colors. For the kite, I have used yellow, red, green, violet and orange color. And for the tail tassels, you can use any color that you like. This is actually very fun to create because you go back to your childhood when you used to make kite on a piece of paper, and now I'm doing that on my nails. So after I finished filling in colors on all these tail tassels and bows, wait for the colors to dry off and you can go back using the black polish or acrylic color and you can redraw the lines on the places where you have filled in color over the black polish as I am showing right now. So make the outline once again wherever color has come on the black paint. And once you finish going over the design, all I did was I took this gorgeous blue glitter polish, flaky glitter polish, and I added that on the white areas denoting the sky. I had used a white paint because the colors would pop out more on the white paint, but because kites fly in the sky, I added these blue polish glitters to denote the sky. So I applied that only on the white areas, not all over the design. So I did that on all the nails. And once the glitter application is done, take a cleanup brush and some acetone or nail polish remover and clean up any polish on the sides, on the cuticles, especially the glitter polish, before you apply a layer of glossy top coat. Once the cleanup is done, all you need to do is finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy or matte top coat as per your wish. Here I am using a glossy top coat. Repeat that on all the nails to make your nail art last longer. I hope you enjoyed watching this very easy Makar Sankranti nail art design. And I wish all of you a very happy Makar Sankranti. Stay healthy, stay happy, and thanks for watching.